Hello students, good day everyone. Today we will learn about subject EVS. Chapter number 13, Festivals of Different People. So we will continue this chapter in this video. So let's start. Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr is an important festival of the Muslims. It marks the end of Ramzan, the holy month of fasting. People dress in fine clothes. They offer namaz or prayer in the mosque. People greet and wish one another Eid Mubarak. People eat a special dish called Sevain. Okay, so children, what is Eid al-Fitr? Yes, it is commonly known as Eid. So this is a Eid festival. So it marks the end of the holy month of Ramzan. Yes, and now these people offer prayers which are called namaz in mosque. Okay, and they also wear new clothes and exchange gift with each other, and they also make special feast with Sevain, which is served to all the family members and friends. Okay, now we will see festival Guru Parab. Guru Parab is celebrated by the Sikhs to remember their 10 Sikh Gurus and their noble deeds. It is also marked as the birth anniversary of their first Guru, Guru Nanak. The Guru Granth Sahib, which is the holy book of the Sikhs, is taken out in a procession. Food is served for free at community kitchen called langars. Okay, so children, what is a Guru Parab? It is celebrated by Sikh people, and this festival celebrated by the Sikh people to remember their 10 Sikh Gurus. Yes, and they were doing good work for these people and always ready to help these people. Okay, and this is also marked as the birth anniversary their first Guru, which is Guru Nanak, and their holy book is the Guru Granth Sahib. Yes, and they taken out in a procession, that it means in a formal way as a part of a religion ceremony or public celebration. So now, as you can see this picture, that this is community kitchen called langar, where food is served for free all people, where people gather and contribute in the large scale cooking and free feeding of people. Now, Holi festival. Holi is a festival of colors. Children use water guns, pichkari, to spray water on one another. Adults smear colors. It is the festival of merriment and joy. We should not play Holi with colors containing chemicals. So children, it is a festival of colors, and in this festival children use water guns, which we call pichkari, to spray water on one another, and adults smears colors, means people apply colors to one another and enjoy in this festival, and people laugh and have fun time together. Okay, now we will see Christmas festival. So Christmas is celebrated every year on the 25th of December as the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. People wish Merry Christmas to each other and exchange sweets, gifts. Christmas trees are decorated with lights and bells. Christmas carols are sung. So, we celebrated Christmas festival every year, yes, on the 25th of December as the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ, yes. So, on this festival, people wish Merry Christmas to each other and give gifts and sweets to one another, yes, and people bring Christmas tree and decorate it with bells and some star, okay. And for carol song, the word carol actually means that dance or a song of praise and joy, okay. Now we will see Pongal festival. Pongal is an important festival of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated for 4 days in January. The rain, the sun and the cattle are worshipped as they bring a good harvest of crops. A special dish called Pongal made of rice and jaggery is eaten. Okay, so this is a festival of Pongal. Yes, and this festival is of the Tamil Nadu. It's celebrated in the Tamil Nadu. Yes, so it is celebrated for 4 days in the January, and in this month they celebrated for 4 days, and it is basically a harvest festival. So this festival can be considered as the Thanksgiving festival because this festival is celebrated to thanks the sun god and the rain and the cattle for helping farmer in getting better crop on this festival, and make one special dish called Pongal, yes, which is made of rice and jaggery. So this special dish eaten in this occasion. So thank you children. Now we will see about the remember. You have to remember some points of this lesson. The first one is every neighborhood celebrates festivals. 2. We should be careful while bursting firecrackers. 3. We should not play Holi with colors containing chemicals. Okay. So thank you. I hope you understood today's topic. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.